Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've got a bag with a box in, and these have come to me from the lovely people at diamondartgift.com. Yeah, they asked if I would like some products to show on my channel. I said yes, of course. I've loved everything I've had in the past, so I am quite happy to see some more bits and pieces. And these are some of the new things that have just come out. So let's have a look and see what we got this time. Oh, we've got a box. It's one of the diamond painting boxes, so it's got all the diamonds on it that you can cut out if you want to. Yay, I've got these diamonds all over the place now. And we have, one in a bag. So this is a jiffy. I have actually opened this one as well, just to make sure, but I've not looked at it. So what shall we look at first, box or bag? Let's look at the bag first. It's crying out to come out of its bag. Oh, looks like that's the wrong way up. So, sorry, the right way up. So let's put it the wrong way up. Oh, look at that. Oh, well, that's different. So as far as I know, this was brand new on the website. And it's something a little bit different. I thought, oh, I like new, I like different, and I like trying things. So it's a wooden circle. Looks like we've got all crystals. We've got a little bit of string for hanging it up. We've got two little holes there. And look at this bow. That bow's super. Ooh, before I turn it over, look at that bow. Very nice. Wasn't expecting that. Okay. So let's get into it and have a look. I've sort of half opened it as I've cut into the bag. So that wasn't very good, Liz. Okay. And, oh, this bow's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, it's a clip. Oh, it's like a hair clip. Oh, wow. Oh, Millie can wear this. Oh, and it's got stag's heads on it, look. We've got a little stag's head just in that corner there. Can you see? Just a little stag's head. And it's like a tartany effect. Oh, that's a better one. You can see that one better. Wow, that's really good. So I guess this is to clip on the side of the diamond painting project. But yeah, you can use it as a hair clip as well. Excellent. It says Merry Christmas around the middle of it there as well. But that's lovely. Liking that. Pen, boat and wax, our standard little toolkit. Lovely piece of rope. I do like it when you get like your string. You like twine rather than getting ribbon or things when it's a wooden project. I just think it keeps it that little bit more rustic, that naturally type feel. Okay, and we've got, not many colours. Looks like it might just be the 3 different colours there, but we'll have a look in a second. And it's very thick as well, actually. It's a thicker piece of wood than I was expecting. And it is, look at that. So it is a black and white sign with Merry Christmas on. And then you just add your little pop of colour on the corner. So you've just got your little clip to put on. I think that's a lovely idea. Yeah, you can just pop that on the corner. And then you've got your twine to hang it up with. Again, you don't have to hang it up. You can just use a couple of command strips or something to put it on. It's the 3 layers of wood again. So it's like 2 with another one sandwiched in between. And yeah, we've got some larger gems. Okay, so let's have a look at these gems. I think that's really pretty. I think the silver and the black, and then just that pop of red, gold and green in the corner. It's stunning. I mean, you don't even have to use that if you don't want to. But there was a couple of different ones, but this is the one that I liked the best. But obviously, personal choice. I'll put a screenshot in so you can see the others as well. So yeah, we just have, it's actually 4 because one of them is a special. So we've got one huge bag of crystals, which is going to be mainly the lettering and some of the snow at the bottom. We've got the icy snowy blue, which is just going to dot in between the snow at the bottom here. And then we've got 3 bags of your black. So all of the background is going to be black, which is great. I mean, that's just going to make a very, very different effect. I'm usually very red, green and gold traditional Christmas, but I just saw this and I thought that is really different. And with it being wooden and like a plaque, you could even, if you can seal this, probably put it outside. Might try doing that. might try doing that with this one, because I did say I've got my outdoor Mod Podge, and I did say I would give it a go and see if the sealer for outdoors would make this, and just hang it on the door, make this okay to hang outside. There's an idea. And then we've got our large rounds, which are all that way around in the packets with an iridescent coating on, look, which are going to go dotted around just for that extra sparkle. Very, very nice. Wow. Oh, loving this. So just something a little bit different. I love all the diamond painting things that are coming out at the moment, that are all just that little bit different and new ideas and new things, because I do like to try, and I do think, you know, it's sort of catering nearly for everybody, isn't it, when everything comes out new. Let's see the size. Is it about 10 inches, 9 inches, 10 inches? 9.5 inches, so I was nearly right. It's right in the middle. 9.5 inches, 24 centimetres round. Your little bow, I'll just give it a quick measure. You know me, I like to measure everything. It is about 3.5 inches, which is about 8.5-ish centimetres. So, yeah, but I mean, yeah, you could use that if you don't want it on here. You could just use that as a hair clip. So Millie may end up wearing that. She doesn't know yet. Millie is our little Scottish Terrier. And then the little rope just to go through to hang it. But that's super, but it's a lovely thickness as well. So it's a really, really good quality. Wow, liking that. Okay, so black and silver Christmas. Very nice. So that is project number 1. And the price of that one is, at the moment on the website, $6.99. And there is a special offer on at the moment, 70% off shipping. And if you add 4 items to your basket, you're only going to pay for 3. So you're getting 1 free if you do that. So yeah, you could go and maybe get a full set of those, or do them as presents for people. There's more or less time. Things are taking round about 7 to 10 days to arrive. So you more or less have got time now to order them and get them done in time if you're wanting them for Christmas presents. Excellent. Okay, let's have a look at this one. And again, this one is to go with that one that I got earlier in the year. Or, well, it's along the same theme. Let me get it out and you'll see what I mean. There are quite a few different ones as well, but this is, oops, the Christmassy version. Okay, so, oh, it's similar colours to this one. Look, we could put them both together. Oh, can you see what there is up here? Yeah, let me just get it open and see. Okay, so we have our pen, board and wax. Standard little toolkit. It's another wooden project, which is excellent. We like the wooden ones. They're a little bit more robust than the acrylic ones. I like the acrylic, but yeah, wooden, if you're very clumsy like me, are pretty good. Looks like this one could just be 4 colours as well, but we'll have a look in a second. All crystals. We have one of the little wooden bases, okay, with the black on the top, which is great. And again, it's the sandwiched wood. So it makes it that extra little bit of thickness. And this one is the Christmassy Wolf Snow Globe. Look at that. I just saw it and I thought, I've got to get that. It's just fabulous. I mean, to be honest, if somebody's got huskies and things like that, these faces at the bottom are a little bit like more an Alaskan Malamute, I think, rather than an actual Siberian husky. But I guess that they are wolves, really. And you've got your little stars all along the bottom here, and then you've just got your crystals here. Looks like we've got different snow. Looks like they're the larger crystals there. We've got our 2 lovely wolves stood there. That one's smiling. That's definitely smiling for the camera. It's like, hey, look, there's a camera, and this one's saying, oh, yeah, okay. Looks like our little stars are going to go all around here. And so, yeah, there's not a huge amount to diamond paint on this, but it's going to be very, very effective. I did get one earlier in the year, and I did it for Smashing the Specials, and it was one with a wolf. This one's got a larger howling wolf on the top. I think the other one only had a smaller wolf, and it was a bigger wolf in the middle. There are, I say, lots of different variations. on the snow globes and the moons with the wolves, but I just thought this would be nice for Christmas. And again, it's a wintry one, so if somebody's got like a wintry birthday rather than Christmas, then, you know, it's quite nice. And you could keep it out, you know, all year round. It doesn't scream Christmas at you. It hasn't got anything Christmas on it. It is just very wintry, and the little bit of snow on the top there and at the bottom. And then when you've done it, just pop it in its little base there. Oops. I won't push it right down because it's got the cover sheet on it at the moment, but yeah. And then it will just stand up and be a lovely little ornament. And actually, if you've got, say, if you've got somebody that likes wolves, or say your huskies and things, it's a nice present. And you could use this one as a Christmas card if you wanted to. Okay, so let's do a quick measurement. I think we're more or less the same as that one. Yeah, it's about 10.5 inches, about 27 centimetres, 26 centimetres. Yeah, if you go to the tip of the wolf's nose, it's the wolf, it's the wolf. And it's 5 3/4 inches across, which is about 14 centimetres. Your base, I think these tend to be a fairly standard size. Yeah, you sort of 12 centimetres, just under 5 inches, by 6 centimetres, about 2 3/4 inches. So they're a fairly standard size, but that's gorgeous. I really love that. I just think the wolf on the top just makes all that difference. But yeah, he's definitely smiling. He is definitely smiling. I think that one's been a bit sultry, saying, oh yes, this is my best side. This one's going, hey, look, it's the camera. Okay, let's have a look at these gems. So, yep, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's actually 6 different gems and colours. It's 4 colours and then, well, 4 different standard crystals and then your 2 specials. So we've got, that's like an ice blue. Number 1 is like an ice blue crystal. It's very, very pale. That's your standard silver crystal. That's like a grey colour. And you've just got a little pop of green that will go on the trees. And then all our little stars, and then all our little, larger rounds that are going to go on the snow at the top of the globe and at the bottom. So it'll be very, very sparkly. That's yeah, nice, quick and easy project to do, but very, very effective. And yeah, if you like wolves, that's going to be fantastic. And I do like snow globes, I must admit. I think they're fascinating. You know, you can, my granddaughter does collect snow globes, so she's got quite a few of them. Actually, she'd maybe quite like that one as well, because they have an Akita, their dog. So it's a similar sort of family to sort of the huskies and things, all that kind of breed. And I suppose most dogs did come from wolves originally as well. Although don't tell Millie I was Scotty, because she's got delusions of grandeur as it is. Huge thank you, Diamond Art Gift, for sending me these. Let me just pop these back in this packet. Okay, well, huge thank you, diamondartgift.com, for sending me these. Do go and check out their website and see the special offers and see all the new things that they've got coming in. There's some fantastic stuff, and you should just about have time, depending on obviously which country you're in, to get something in time for Christmas to make presents and things, or for decorations for yourself. Or you can do like I do and order them, and then you can always do them for next year as well. Yeah, just keep doing the diamond paintings. Okay, don't forget to check out all the special offers as well that they've got on. Thank you to you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. And then any comments or questions in the comments down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next and see some of these completed, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.